Right, so we'll just have a look at the canopy for the A6M Zero. So here's the basic canopy frame here. Okay, so this is the frame after it's been constructed, and of course before it's covered with the tissue. The parts come in a sheet like this. This is plywood, very thin plywood, you can see. So basically you just go around them and cut them out. Okay, there's a part there from the side. Okay, so this sheet is actually laser cut. I might just have a quick look at the laser cutting, and we'll come back and see how we're going to put it together. Okay, so it's a bit easy to glue all the parts together. First of all, I'll just make a note of this. This is the hole for the magnet to go in. Okay, so all the parts, basically we've got the tongue and groove system. So we've got this little slot here, and the tabs just slide straight into there. Okay, there should be quite a firm fit. So just supporting it from the back and pushing it in. Okay, of course it'll stay in there, but you glue it in. Okay, so basically you just start gluing the formers in, the two formers in, and then glue each one of these slotted tabs all the way down to the back, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. So here we're using a little bit of modeling tape. So this yellow modeling tape here is used to hold it all together as it's drying. And in the sheet we've also got this little U-shaped piece here. So that piece is used to go in the back, and that holds the back pieces together as they're drying, and that can be removed later. Okay, you can see we've got the magnet installed up here, and that's the magnet that's going to attach it to the airframe. Okay, so you'll get to this stage here, and it's all held together at the moment, just waiting to dry. Alright, so with the glue dried, the next thing we're going to do is take the tape off. Okay, and also this part at the back here can just be taken off very gently. So this was just used to hold the tail part together there as the glue dried. We'll just take the tape off and we'll have a look at how it looks. Okay, so the glue might have glued the tape in place, so I just need to remove that. Rightio. So, one more piece to go. Alright, so there's the finished canopy. One more piece of tape. Okay, there's the finished canopy there. And the next part is just to give a little bit of a rub with sandpaper and just sand down the edges. Okay, so just be very careful as you're doing the sandpaper work, and sand down all the rough edges and make it smooth all over, and it'll be ready for painting. Alright, let's just take a look at the canopies. There's a couple of options. Alright, the first option is that you can just cover the canopy completely with tissue paper on the outside. Okay, it looks rather nice. It's very in keeping with the design of the aircraft, being a stick and tissue model. I'll just hold this on here. We'll have a quick look at it. Okay, it looks quite nice. Okay, the second option, however, is to use spray paint and spray paint the canopy white, and then attach the tissue paper to the inside of the canopy. And this is more in keeping with the actual design of the real aircraft, because the real aircraft did have a canopy which was painted white. There we go. Okay, so two options there, whichever you prefer to do: tissue over the top or painted and tissue underneath.